Instagram Milestone AI photo trending on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or make Milestone AI photo that is going viral on Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do is that you just simply need to go to ChatGPT, and then here you have to click on the plus icon, and then here go to photo, and here what you need to do is that you have to select your Instagram profile page. You have to take the screenshot, and then after selecting this you just need to select your photo. Okay, let me just select this photo also. Click on done option. Sorry. Okay, after doing this, here you have to paste one prompt. The prompt will be available on my description box. You just need to copy and paste it. Okay, this will be available on my description box of this particular video. So you have to change it, if you want to change the followers, you can change it. Okay, followers count, and then here click on send option, and then you'll need to wait for some times. And so as you can see here, this is how you can get it. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. After clicking here, you can see that icon here. Just you need to click on this, and then you can download and upload on your Instagram. So this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching.